Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you the 9 crucial steps to follow when you get paid. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, these steps will help you make the most of your hard-earned money. Step 1. Celebrate your success. Before diving into financial planning, take a moment to celebrate your achievements. Treat yourself to something special as a reward for your hard work. Step 2. Set clear goals. Define your short-term and long-term financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, buying a home, or investing for retirement, having clear goals will keep you motivated. Step 3. Create a budget. It's essential to create a budget that outlines your income, expenses, and savings goals. This will help you track your spending and ensure you're living within your means. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Step 4. Pay yourself first. Allocate a portion of your income towards saving and investing before paying your bills. This will help you build a financial cushion for unexpected expenses or future goals. Step 5. Eliminate debt. Focus on paying off high-interest debts, such as credit card balances, to free up more money for savings and investments. Being debt-free will give you financial peace of mind. Step 6. Invest wisely. Explore different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to grow your wealth over time. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor to make informed decisions. Step 7. Build an emergency fund. Set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an emergency fund to cover unexpected financial setbacks, such as medical bills or job loss. Step 8. Review and adjust. Regularly review your financial progress and make adjustments to your budget and goals as needed. Stay flexible and adapt to changes in your financial situation. Step 9. Give back. Lastly, consider giving back to your community or supporting causes that are important to you. Generosity not only benefits others but also brings joy and fulfillment to your life. Thank you for watching. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. By following these 9 steps, you can take control of your finances and build a secure future for yourself. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. See you next time.